ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to The Average Garage. So in today's episode, we're going to be working on the Falcon again. We're actually going to start reassembling the front. So we're going to lift the K-frame up. From the looks of it, we don't need to press any suspension bushings in. I think these ones are all just like a slide-in fit. So yeah, hopefully we won't have to press them in. So we're going to start by lifting the K-frame up. Now, there's nobody to help me today. Nobody was able to make it out. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put the K-frame on the trans jack and we're going to try and lift it up with that. See if we can get it high enough. I might have to put something on the trans jack, get a bit sketchy with it. Either way, we're going to try and make it work. So let's get to that. Alright guys, so the K-frame is now in, so that's all good, it's all done up. So now we can start putting the upper control arms, lower control arms, radius rods, all the fun stuff in, and maybe even the struts. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm starting to get quite pumped because the front end is really coming together. So as you can see, we've got the springs in, or the struts, whatever you want to call them, the lower control arms, and the radius rods are all in. So next up, we've got the upper control arms and the spindles. So before then, I may even put the brake actuator or the ABS actuator in, and the brake lines, because I feel I should probably put them in before I get too involved. So we'll probably chuck them in and then worry about the upper control arms and the spindles. So yeah, let's get to it. As you can see, it's all looking quite nice. Yes, the springs and the struts are old, and that is for good reason. So the springs and the struts are old, they are the originals, and they're staying in there until after engineering and pits. Once I've done that, I'll lower the car on some nice new struts, some nice new springs, shocks all around, have it sitting nice and pretty. But before then, I'm going to keep them stock because the last thing I want is for me to send it to engineering or the pits and then fail it for being too low after I've just spent all that money and then have to swap it all out again. Anyways, so yeah, hopefully I'll pass these ones. They passed the bounce test when I've tried it earlier when the car was all together, so I hope they should be all right, but we'll see. Anyways, let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, what I've just done there is I've actually, instead of using rivets, I've drilled the holes out a bit and put some riv nuts in, so that way I can fit some M6 bolts, and then I don't have to worry about trying to find the correct size rivets, as they were quite large. So yeah, a little bit of a fancy up for that, because yeah, before it was just riveted on. Alright folks, so there we have it. The spindles are on, upper control arms are in. I put the ABS motor back in and the brake lines associated. So yeah, they're all in and it's good to go. So yeah. Alright folks, so I'm going to leave that episode here. So thank you very much for watching. In the next episode, we'll worry about putting the front up, and I will probably go pick up the brakes and wheels. They're getting painted. I have no idea what color. I've given the painter some creative freedom and I said, here mate, here's the wheels, here's brakes. Pick and choose, go for what you feel like. So hopefully they come back a good color. I'm sure they will. I have my utmost faith in him. So yeah, drop in the comments below what color you think they might be and see who gets it close. But thank you very much for watching. We'll see you all in the next episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, share some videos with your mates, and if you haven't seen the previous episodes, go back and watch them. Thank you very much. We'll see you all in the next episode. Peace out, guys.